lack of trust, lack of love, lack of care, and a whole lot of lack of understanding.
Doubting, doubting in the family with your husbands or spouses.
Lack of trust, poor communications, ego, an attitude towards each other.
My daughter and I'm very close to each other, but my husband is not with us, he's to himself. He would not interact with us or anything, but we still do try to take him in our conversation, in our discussions. He is least interested, like whatever you say, okay, done. But we would like him to participate in our conversations, participate in our discussions and all that.
Lack of understanding, lack of time for each other, lack of prayer. So the strength will be like opposite, just praying for each other, understanding each other, giving time for each other, so we can come together with all this, with the blessings.
Love, trust, respect, dialogue, and companionship, compassion, and togetherness.
Listening to their problems.
The strength in the family is understanding, is love, is trust, is a lot of care.
I was finding very difficult times in my days, so I started earning here, and I'm happy with that. And my daughter is there along with me, working over here, and we were in great love for each other, and there is no problem with us now. Thank God for that.